Labels are printed individually and in bulk using Label Magic. This is particularly useful where labels are developed at a head office level and printed by staff on site. You can access Label Magic from the Start menu under the Input/Output heading. Click on the URL or scan the QR code to open. Label Magic can be opened on a tablet, laptop, or mobile. You must be logged into a Nutritics account to access Label Magic this way. If you instead have login credentials for Label Magic only and not Nutritics, you possess a view-only account. This account type allows you to print labels, but you do not have access to Nutritics to create or edit recipes. You log into Label Magic using the same URL shown before, but you may need to obtain this from your master account first. You then use your credentials to log in directly to Label Magic. All recipes are displayed in a tile format. By default, only pinned labels or groups will show upon login. Click the search icon to search for a particular label, and click the plus icon to pin other groups to the home page. Open a label and pin the individual label to your pinned items instead of an entire group. You can also deselect the group from the list again to unpin it. To print a label, click on a recipe to see the available labels. These are labels that have been created in Nutritics. These are shown in the top, while label templates are shown underneath. Select the label you want to print, the portion size, and input how many labels you want to print and click Print. If required, specify the preparation date of the product, and if the label bears a use by, best before, or sell by date, this will update automatically. If a placeholder field is enabled on the label, you can also populate this here. You can print using a label template alternatively. This is a template designed in the master account that can be applied to any recipe in Label Magic for instant creation. Sometimes, depending on the elements enabled on a label and the recipe you're printing for, the formatting may not suit your label. In this case, the template would need to be altered back in Nutritics to suit. If you'd prefer to hide the label templates available and only see labels created by your master account, click on the settings cog in the top right corner and toggle this off. You can print many labels in bulk also. You can see our previous labels were added to the queue tray in the bottom. This allows you to queue the printing and pause between label groups if needed. When you select print, the item is added to the queue tray in the bottom bar. This allows you to queue the printing and pause between label groups if needed. Turn this setting on by navigating to the settings in Label Magic, clicking Printer and selecting Use Queue Tray on Print. You can also turn on pausing by default so the printing stops between every item automatically. Alternatively, keep this setting off and input a delay between items. If you find you print similar items each day, you can save print jobs for future use. Line up your labels as normal, click the three dots to the right and select Save Active Queue. Name the queue, for example, Curry Options or Monday's Dessert Run, and click OK. This queue will be available for use at any time by clicking the three dots again. It will automatically populate the queue with the products and pack sizes and quantities previously selected.